Hey guys, it's Amanda here, and today we are going to be unboxing the 18-inch ring light with Forge 97. Now, as you can see, this is a huge box because, as we say, 18 inches, right? So let's get into the box and see what it comes with, okay? So as we open up the box, I can already see a slick black compact tote bag that one can carry around with them. Look how nice and portable that is. Like, you can literally travel with this and not lose it or have to find a place to put it. So that is really convenient. Okay, so let's open up this bag and see this 18-inch ring light. So when opening it up, the first thing that jumps at me are the 3 phone holders that it comes with. Examining one of them, we can see that it is very, you can tilt it to whatever angle, whatever direction you want, and it seems really steady, so your phone is not going anywhere once in here. But let's test that out. Let's see if it can actually hold my phone. Okay, so I'm gonna put my phone. So this is an iPhone 8 and it fits in quite well. It can be bent into different angles, made straight, and made to look directly at you. Okay, so let's move on to the next little gadgets that we can find here. So as we say it again, the 3 phone holders. It has a power cable that you connect to the ring light to switch it on, because that's the point of the ring light, right? You want it to go on, okay? And it comes with a remote, so you do not have to be close by to connect it. You do not have to be close by to increase the brightness, decrease the brightness, switch it on and off, which is very convenient in my opinion. And then the big boy itself, and that is the 18-inch ring light. Look how big that is. Wow, that is huge. So let us open this up. Already I can tell you guys the quality is superb. Look how wonderful the bag looks. Like, it looks so strong and feels very strong. My head goes right through this, okay? And I don't think I have a head that is about 16 inches, so you can tell this is big. This is 18 inches. Okay, so let's take a look at the ring light itself. So this is where the 3 phone holders would go, and it has these 2 knobs right in the front here to control the brightness and the color setting of the ring light itself. And it has a USB connector right at the back there for when you're using your phone, for example, and the battery is low. Just connect that right up. You don't have to start looking, where's my cable, where's my power? You can just connect it right here. Okay, so now let's get right into setting up our ring light. Before we do that though, let's take a look at our phone stand. Something that we didn't mention earlier is that the phone stand itself has a twisting mechanism here, so you don't actually have to twist the entire phone stand to get it tightly onto your ring light. Let me show you guys exactly what I mean by that. So holding up our ring light like this, if you put your phone stand down, instead of doing this to tighten it up, you can just use this mechanism right here, which makes it so easy and so convenient. There you go. So let's set up the other 2. Tightly there, and the final one. And there you go, secured phone stands to put your phone on and record what you need to record. Let us move on to the power cable at the back. So as you can see there, you have the positioning here for the power cable, and you have one for your USB charger. We're going to be looking at the power cable right now. So taking that down, opening up the power cable. All right. And just connect that right there. Could you please power this up for me? And as I said, for your phone USB, this can literally go right in there, and you can charge up your phone if you need to charge up your phone. But now we're going to be focusing on the light itself. Okay, so let us turn that around so you guys can see how bright and beautiful that looks. That looks so cool. Like, that looks amazing. And it has these knobs right in the front, so you can use this one to adjust the brightness of the current color you're working with, and you can use this one to adjust the tone and the color that you want for it to be. So do you want it to be cool or do you want it to be warm? The remote that it comes with does the exact same thing, but with this one the convenience is you do not have to be close to it to actually move the knob. So you can be at a distance, take the remote and just change it out and change it out just like that. So now we're going to look at one of the most important things that comes with a ring light, and that is the tripod to hold up the ring light. So this is the tripod that comes with the 18-inch ring light from Forge 97, and as you can see, that is really good quality, and it looks really strong as well. So let's open this up and see exactly what it looks like. So when you open it up, this is what you get. Make sure you tighten this knob back up just so that your phone is not falling all over the place, okay? So tighten that back up and you can see how steady that is, like nothing is going anywhere. So let's set up our ring light on top of our tripod. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm going to take our ring light, which has this section over here where you are just going to drop your ring light right onto the tripod stand like that. That's the front. Make sure that's facing the front, and then you're going to use this nozzle right here to tighten it and secure it so it is not falling off of the tripod. Once it is tight, we're then going to connect our power cable. We're going to connect our power cable just like that, and we are going to start to pull it up to see how far we can get. Okay, so here we go. This is level 1.
That's good.
And this is level 2. It can go a little bit higher than this, but this is where we're leaving it for today because I mean, this thing is taller than me. Okay, I also wanted to check with the ring light how it looks and how we can use it from a distance basically. So as I said earlier, we can change around the settings, change the color of it, switch it off, switch it on. We can make it dimmer, we can make it brighter, and there's a whole lot of things you can do using the remote. Just test how secure these phone holders are by putting my phone up on one of these stands. So when you're putting your phone up on the stand, make sure that you put your phone firstly by the hinge area, so you just clip it in easily. So hinge out and then your phone clips right in like that. And let's test out this USB thing that I talked about. So I'm going to connect my phone right there and then connect it to the USB port that we looked at the back, and voila, charging. So you can charge your phone while using the tripod, while using the ring light, and you can always have power. You're not gonna have battery low sign when you're trying to film. And yeah guys, that is the 18-inch ring light by Forge 97.